day go there. Where am I? Oh my God. Environment mo kumili.
Pero bakit na yung mga JR Mesfit tsaka yung coordinator?
Guys!
Tara. What you say?
I'm very privileged kasi dito tayo dadaan.
Teka lang. What you say,
Hi.
sir?
Yeah, I'm a tourist here and it's so nice to be here in the Philippines, especially this Rizal Day. It's so great.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome. Good morning. Saan tayo dadaan?
Hernan!
Go,
Doon na lang. Saan?
Is that a bit?
Oh, yeah.
Why? Alright, interview na.
Sige, go. Ano ba
I
yun?
feel honored to be here and to be part of this program because this is a once in a lifetime event. Birthday and not wedding.
Go.
Yeah. And that's all I can say.
Okay.
Baliw lang.
How about you, ma'am? Ma'am tuloy.
What? Please, no comment please. Please.
No camera? Cool.
Idol niya siya.
Maganda yung movie. Rated A.
Rated
Maganda
A.
yung movie, oo.
Jello, di ba busy ka?
No camera, please. What did you say?
I'm fine, thank you.
Babe.
Hi, baby.
Ay, pooch. Harap-harapan.
Magwawala ako.
Sir,
Papalit pala ako pag
how are you?
okay.
What can you say? You're good?
Sir, excuse lang po sir.